Yo, what's good people? It's Pitbike Pub right here tonight at the strip. Oh, it's a bit cold, it's a bit wet, just proper slippery on the floor, but we're only out here on the Honda 110. Let's see what we can get done on this. Let's see what we can get done on the strip tonight. Oh yeah, let's see what she's got on the strip then. See how fast it is. Apparently it's quite fast. Not one. See if we can wheelie the whole way back. The whole way back. My phone, right? Honestly, for the money, electric start, it's got a battery so you can wire up at the light if you really wanted a light. Electric start, key ignition, semi-automatic, just like the CRF 110 or the KLX 110. And I raced Keaton, I raced my mate Keaton the other night. He's got like a 22 plate CRF 110, and this smoked absolute dream. And it does wheelies. this thing looks so nice for a 110. It's unreal. I can't believe it. The power it's got. I've ridden some CRF 110s that won't even lift up properly in third. Like, you've got a proper try. This thing will just lift up in third. It's mad. Oh, foot peg on the floor. When you hold the gear lever down. Yeah, check this bike out, honestly. Check that out for a Chinese pit bike. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with one of these. If you're just thinking about getting a CRF 110, just get one of these. Obviously you've got to get bigger bars for a CRF 110 anyway if you're my size. So get one of these, get bigger bars, and yeah, honestly, you will not be disappointed in this bike. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. So yeah, that's it people. That is the Thunder 110 at the strip again. Another little preview to show you what it's got. Yeah, that's it. Sweet people, see you in the next one.